Ever recorded a customer payment in Odoo but can't find the Mark as Sent button? Watch this quick walkthrough and mark payments as sent in under 3 minutes. First, we'll navigate to the Accounting app, open Customers, and select Payments. Then, we'll open the payment and click Mark as Sent at the top bar. Alright, start by navigating to your Odoo homepage, where you'll land initially. Then, go ahead and click on Accounting to open up the Accounting module. Now that you're in Accounting, click on Customers at the top bar to get to the customer list. Then, click on Payments to see the payments you've recorded. Next, click on the payment you want to mark as sent so its details open up. Finally, click Mark as Sent at the top bar. And that's it. You're done. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.